Hi, this is John Ferrell from the Legal Hacks YouTube channel, John Ferrell ESQ. And it's just a quick shout out to my friends over at StubGroup, John, Chris, Lucian, and Sadie, and all the others for helping us get out of Google Ads jail. My marketing team and I arrived at work one morning and we had a message waiting for us from Google Ads saying that our ads account had been suspended for circumvention of their ads policy. We found that the Google AI had found something in our website that was causing it to trigger a suspension. It's really hard to overstate how much time we put in to trying to get the suspension lifted. Phone calls, appeals. I made phone calls to our account executive. Literally nothing that they could do to help us. They couldn't understand why the AI had suspended our account. And then we met StubGroup. After analyzing our situation, StubGroup gave us a list of fixes and an inventory of changes to make to our website and to our ads program. Eventually, after a few more appeals, the ad suspension was lifted. When StubGroup agreed to take on our problem, they told us up front how much it was going to cost, they responded quickly, and they did exactly what they said they were going to do. Thanks StubGroup for the great work in getting us out of Google Ads jail.